we have to find the area. To find the area, first we need to sketch the graphs of given functions. The three last functions are very easy to draw because we have y equals 0, so this is our x-axis, x equals 1 and x equals 4 is very easy to draw. Only problem we can have with first function. This is 3 over square root of x. We know that we can calculate square root of positive or equal 0 values. But because we have the square root in denominator, so we cannot have 0. So for x, we can plug only positive values. If denominator is positive, it means in numerator we have positive number 2, so value of our function will be always positive. So we need first quadrant for this graph. This is our y-axis, x, and let's choose numbers for which we can very easily calculate square root. So first I will choose the unit because we have to here x equals 1 and x equals 4. So let's put this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me draw the table. This is our x. So I will choose first 1 over 9, 1 over 4, and we need 1 and 4. So y is equal 3 over square root of x. So it will be 3 over square root of 1 over 9 is 1/3. So it will be 3 times 3 is 9. For 1 over 4 we will have 3 over square root of 1 over 4. So this is equal 1/2 in denominator. So we have 3 times 2 is 6. For x equals 1 we will have 3 over 1. So this is 3. And for x equals 4 we will have 3 over square root of 4 is 2. So we have 3 over 2, so this is 1.5. We have our unit. So let's find this point. We have 1 over 9 and we have 9 for this. So we see when the x is very close to 0, we have very large y. So our graph going from positive infinity. We are very close to y-axis, but we never pass this axis. Next, we have for 1 over 4, we have value 6. So let's put this here. For 1, we have value 3. For 4, we have value 1.5. So this is approximately here. And we see when we are going far to positive infinity, our graph will be go down and we never pass x-axis too. So this is like something like this. So now we have to draw next graph is y equals 0. This is our y equals 0. Let me put different color. This is our y equals 0. Next we have x equals 1. This is vertical line. X equals 1 and we have x equals 4. This is x equals 4. So we got area between these 4 functions. This is our area which we have to find. we see that this is above x-axis, has positive values. Our function y is positive and is continuous in this interval from 1 to 4. So we will use definite integral to find the area. A is equal. We have integration limits from 1 to 4 because our area is between this interval from 1 to 4. And our function is 3 over square root of x. We have integral with respect to x. So this is equal. 3 we can put before integral symbol. And we can rewrite square root of x. We have 1 over square root of x. So it will be x to power negative 1/2 dx. Of course, limit of integration we have to rewrite. And we have 3. Integral of x to power negative 1/2 is x. Negative 1/2 plus 1 is 1/2 over, of course, 1/2. And limit of integration, we have 1 and 4. So this is equal. We have to flip 1 over 2, so it will be 3 times 2 is 6. And we have x to power 1/2. Now we have to plug the limits. We will have 6 times 4 to power 1/2. So we have square root of 4, we can write. Minus, and the lower limit is 1, so we have 6 times square root of 1. So this is equal. Square root of 4 is 2, 6 times 2 is 12, minus 6 times square root of 1 is 1, so we have 6. So this is equal 6. This is our area, of course, because this is area, we have square units. This is my solution.